All right, welcome back to another home tour. This one is $1 million home. We are in Bixby today, but on the north side of the river, so really great location. Great neighborhood too. Like I think we're in Robinson Ranch, don't quote me on that. Yeah, I wasn't even close, but that neighborhood is nearby. But I do love, there's a good amount of character in between the builders in here, so they don't all look cookie cutter. But let's turn around here, we'll get to talking. I'll put the information on the screen for you. Oops. The house is pretty great, not gonna lie. Has a lot of really cool features that we're gonna show you here in just a minute. Like the L shape, you have this nice cool courtyard here, which is kind of fun on the other side of the fence. And then that's obviously your back door. Love the white with the black windows, always gives it a nice clean look. But we'll come around here, you got a mix of the brick with the siding, and then I also like the accents with the stone around the doorway there. Nice and cool front door, modern, all that good stuff. But yeah, broker's open today with Joanna Ford. Been hanging out with my friends and I was like, hey, I gotta let you guys go. Gotta do this video. So here we go. So right inside you've got your foyer area, which is pretty great. I do love the wallpaper. It's kind of a geometric design, which is fun. But nice front entry, got windows on both sides. Really nice living space there, high ceilings. Look, there she is right there. We're wandering around your house.
Thank you for wandering around my house.
You bet. Love the high ceilings. You've got the black tile all the way up. It looks like slate tile, but I'm not exactly sure. With the modern linear fireplace there, 2 ceiling fans, nice high ceilings, absolutely massive room. So you have kind of living area, but you could honestly have a second living space right here, coffee area, because you have a coffee bar right here. And then you have your formal dining right here. But obviously storage underneath the cabinets. You've got the undermounted sink, gas range pot filler, shaker cabinets, dual refrigerators, which is great. And then in here, this is a scullery. So you've got gorgeous counters in here, continued with that kind of geometric wallpaper. Love the floating shelves. You've got the sink in here, extra dishwasher, all the other appliances. And then of course you have the pocket door too, which is great. And then around on the other side of the kitchen, coming this way, you have a really cool game room slash bar area. So a whole nother kitchen in here. You have the prep sink right here, wine fridge, drink fridge, more shaker cabinets, really cool island. Again, you have the wallpaper up there, same as in the foyer. Nice high ceilings, obviously entertainment area. And then out here is that little patio space that you saw next to the garage, because the garage is right there. Patio door, obviously. Yeah, I notice I say obviously a lot in these. I think it's because it's like, well, you're looking at it. Obviously, that's what it is. Anyway. Got an ice maker, second dishwasher, gas range, shaker cabinets. And then this goes out to the garage, but I'm not gonna go out there. It's kind of packed at the moment. But I love the beams in here. And then obviously backyard. As I said, obviously, again, I'm not gonna go out there, but really good size, because it's kind of windy, but you have patio space over there, more entertaining space here, and then patio space into the primary bedroom, which we'll check out here later. Well, let's head over here. You've got your utility room. I really like the blue. It's really shiny. It's almost got like a lacquer finish. You have a sink in here, windows, hanging, all the stuff. No complaints there. You have your drop zone for all the kids' goodies. And then this, I believe, is just storage under the stairs. You have a guest bedroom. Really nice because it has its own kind of little patio space, which is fun. And then full bath and the closet, of course, which is pretty full, but walk-in closet. So if you have guests staying with you, elderly family living with you, all that stuff. You have a nice ensuite here, which is works out really good. I'm gonna step out here just because this door doesn't have the screen on it, but you can see it is actually a private patio. It's not connected to the other one, which I think is actually really cool. But there's the other patio right there. So really cool floor plan actually, but massive yard. And then over there is just an additional patio space for all of your toys, the boat, you know, whatever. But the double gate right there, really nice. I'll head back on in here, but this whole like a true private patio for this bedroom is pretty neat. Let's head back on in and continue. Oh wait, lock the door. So this goes to the other 2-car garage. This goes to the backyard. And then that door is just to the garage side parking area. So let's go upstairs. They do have a balcony. I don't know if you saw that when I was outside. But great game room up here. Very nice, very nice. What's up?
What's up? I'll get out of your way.
Oh, no worries. One of the bedrooms. Really good size. Looks like, I think there's a Pullman bath on this one. So it kind of goes around to the other bedroom, but here's that vanity for you. Dual vanities. You have a full tiled shower behind the door there. And then this should be the closet, walk-in closet. Here is another bedroom. Good sized closet. Looks like they're using this one as an office, which is great. If you got the extra bedrooms, why not? Kind of private vanity, and then this one's a Pullman style as well. So coming through, toilet, shower, and then the other vanity here for this other bedroom, which is pretty great. And this one has the private patio, which is cool. But obviously one of the kids is using this as a game room. Or it could be multiple kids actually. But here is that balcony there, which is really cool. Honestly, it's a great space for the kids to come up here and, you know, have all of this. Is pretty neat. But obviously they have the other game room that you saw a second ago. And then in here is the closet, which obviously moving boxes because they're moving. But let me know in the comments, what do you think so far? I'm gonna go downstairs here, we'll go across and check out the primary bedroom suite area. But if you're liking this home tour, don't forget to like and subscribe on the channel. I share home tours like this and lifestyle content in Tulsa, things to do, all of that. So if you like that stuff, subscribe. But let's wander across. So over here is going to be our primary suite. Nice big room, crown molding. Got some accent windows there. You do have the patio door out to the patio area. Here is that bathroom. Massive shower. It's got entry on both sides, which is great. Absolutely massive. Shower wand, all the things. Natural light on the back. Oop, let's not knock the picture off the wall. Really good sized tub. And then here is the vanity areas. You do have a makeup vanity area and then the two other sinks, which is great. toilet, and then a really good sized closet as well. Room for the island in the middle, of course, and then another kind of vanity area or just like a prep area when you're packing your suitcase and stuff like that for your business trips, vacation, all of that. You do have your hall bath right here, and this is just storage. And then they're using this room, which could be an office, but they're using it as a weight room, which I think is pretty great. Weight room, gym, / music room. Got a xylophone and a electric drum set. But anyway, I think it's pretty great. So let me know in the comments, what do you think of this house? I think it's pretty great. But I'll put a link in the description to all the stuff you need to know. And don't forget to like and subscribe. If you're interested in this house, of course, reach out to me. But yeah, if I can ever be of assistance in all of your real estate needs, if you just got questions about the Tulsa area, let me know. I'm happy to have those conversations. Whatever you're into, let me know. I can kind of help guide you to which neighborhoods offer what you like. So that is all I've got. I hope you have a great day, and I will see you in the next one.